Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start our second lecture of Inspiring Science in class 1. So we will start it from chapter number 2. The name of chapter number 2 is A Green World. What is the meaning of a green world? So students, a green color is a characteristic of a natural environment. So the green world is a symbol of a good social order in the society. Here is a warm-up activity for you. Let's do it. Help Mickey the monkey reach his tree house by jumping from one bush to another. But take care he cannot move ahead if a rock comes in his way. You can see a monkey and his tree house. We will help this monkey to reach his tree house by jumping. So take out your pencil and do this activity with me. Let's do it. Move your pencils with me. We will do this activity very carefully. Yes, we did it. Now come to the lesson. First thing we are going to read is types of plants. Let's start reading. There are plants all around us. Do they all look similar? Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big, others are small. Big plants. Trees. Trees are big and strong. They have a thick and hard main stem. It is called the trunk. The trunk bears branches. So students, we look a huge variety of plants all around us. Each plant is different from other plant. Why? Because plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big and some plants are small. So first thing we are going to read is big plants. What are big plants? Big plants have thick, strong and woody stem, which are hard to break, just like tree. What is a tree? A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood. We can see a thick layer on the outside of tree. It is called trunk. Let's move to page number 9. Some trees have many branches and are spread out. Some trees grow tall and straight. You can see in this picture, some plants have many branches and spread out. Just like these plants, they have many branches and these trees are shaded trees. Some trees grow tall and straight. The age and size of each plant is different from other. Here is another activity. Let's read. Put a tick in the box for the things which you get from a trees. Now you will tell me which things we will get from trees. Mango. Can we get a mango from a tree? Yes. Beer. Can we get a beer from a tree? No. Can we get coconut from a tree? Yes. Okay. So second thing is small plants. What are small plants? Small plants are those plants which have greenish, soft and tender stem. Let's start reading. Shrubs. First thing we are going to read in small plant is shrub. Shrubs are small plants. They do not have a trunk. They have many thin but strong and woody stem with branches near the ground. You can see rose, sunflower and China rose. Okay students. You can see tree is large in size and shrubs are small in size. Okay students, what are shrubs? Shrubs are medium size woody plant, taller than herbs and shorter than a tree. Turn over the page. Herbs. Herbs are short and have weak and thin stems. Spinach, coriander, mint and basil. Climbers. Some herbs have very weak stems. They cannot stand on their own. They climb with the support of a stick, a wall or some other plant. They are known as climber. Green pea, money plant, grapevine. Creeper. Some herbs with weak stem run along the ground. They are called creeper. Pumpkin, watermelon. So students, what are herbs? Herbs are normal plant with soft stem, just like spinach, coriander, mint and basil. They have weak and thin stems. The life cycle of the herbs is also very short. They cannot live for long time. What are climbers? So students, some plants have weak stem. They cannot grow on their own. You can see in this picture, these plants like green pea, money plant and grapevine have weak stems. They cannot grow on their own. So they need a support to grow. Next is creeper. What are creeper? Creeper are a plant which grow along the ground, just like pumpkin plant and watermelon. These are herbs. These plants grow along the ground. Climber need support to grow and creepers run along the ground. Next is fill in the blanks. The stem of a tree is known as trunk. The stem of a tree is known as trunk. Shrubs have many thin but dash and dash stems. Shrubs have many thin but strong and woody stems. Herbs have dash and dash stems. Herbs have short and weak stems. The pumpkin plant is a dash. The pumpkin plant is a creeper. Let's move to the page number 11. Parts of plant. Second thing is parts of plant. So students, no plant are the same. Plants have different parts and each part has its own function. We will learn about the parts of plant. So let's start. The different parts of a plant are roots, stems, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Plants have different parts just like roots, stems, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. A plant starts from its roots. Root take in water from soil. What is the function of roots? Root takes in water from soil. Roots hold the plant to the ground. They also take in water and nutrients from the soil. Next part is leaf. What is the function of leaf? Leaf makes food for plants. Leaf make food for plant. Leaf make food. How leaf prepare food for plants? Leaf prepare food through photosynthesis. Next is stem. Stem bears leaves and flowers, supplies water and food from one part to another. What is the function of stem? It holds the plant up. It takes food and water to all parts of plants. Next is fruits and flowers. Fruit bears seeds, flower produces fruits. So students, seed makes flowers and fruits. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Leaf, flower and fruits grow on stem. Last is bud. Bud open and become a flower. Again bud open and become a flower. So plants also breathe, grow and die. Plants store food in different parts of their body. Here is a question. Do you know the banana plant is the big plant, but it is not a tree. It is actually a herb. The banana plant is the largest herb in the world. So students, why banana plant is not a tree? Because it has a fleshy leaves and it is the largest herb in the world. So our reading is complete. Let's move to the exercise of this unit. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. 1. Some trees have many dash. Some trees have many branches. 2. Dash have thin woody stems. Shrubs have thin woody stems. Dash are weak plants. Herbs are weak plants. 4. Dash cannot stand on their own. Climbers cannot stand on their own. Dash grow along the ground. Creepers grow along the ground. Dash is a part of a plant. Root is a part of a plant. Part B. Cross the odd one out. Now you have some pictures and you have to cross the odd one out. First, mango, gulmohar and China rose. So students, mango and gulmohar are trees but China rose is a shrub. So this is odd one. We will cut China rose. Next, mint, sunflower and rose. Sunflower and rose are plants and mint is a herb. So we will cross this one out. 3. Green pea, grapevine, banyan. Green pea and grapevine are Climbers. So banyan is odd one. Spinach, mint and coconut. Spinach and mint are herbs, but coconut is a tree. So coconut is odd one out. Fifth, pumpkin, watermelon and carrot. Pumpkin and watermelon are creepers, but carrot is a root. So we will cross the odd one out. Let's move to the question answers. First, name two trees. Banyan tree, Gulmohar tree. 2. What are shrubs? Short plants having thin and woody stem are called shrubs. Short plants having thin and woody stem are called shrubs. What type of stem do herbs have? Herbs have thin stems. 4. Why does a climber need support? Climber needs support because it has weak stem. Name one creeper. Pumpkin is a creeper. Name any three parts of a plant. Flower, stem, leaf, root, bud. You can write any three parts of plants. Our unit number 1 is complete. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So take care and Allah Hafiz.